Good afternoon, this is Manus Bera. Today I am introducing the hospitality desk channel. I am going to introduce all about the food and beverage service industries, especially the food and beverage department. So this is all about how to give interview and what are the content is including in food and beverage department. How to run a restaurant, including the beginning from the starting guest arriving in the restaurant to the guest reception until guest is not finishing the stay or the lunch or dinner session, and they are giving your excellent feedback before leaving from the hotel. Also, we are going to introduce about the upselling at the restaurant, and we are introducing the hospitality. All the content is all about the food and beverage service related. So we'll help you out whosoever is working in hospitality industry and giving the interview for your next level. All the question and answer will be there in my videos. So guys, please bear with us for my next videos. Thank you.